This is Chicago's very own WGN Evening News at 6.
Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx says a breakdown in communication led her office to make false statements about 13-year-old Adam Toledo in court last month.
And now a top aide to Fox has resigned amid the fallout. WGN's political reporter Taman Bradley is here with more.
Ray and Micah, good evening. A source familiar with the investigation says it is not a coincidence that First Assistant State's Attorney Jennifer Coleman is resigning following a review of statements made in court about the fatal police shooting of Adam Toledo. Today, a shakeup at Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx's office. It's time to an internal review of a misleading description of the fatal police shooting of 13-year-old Adam Toledo. In an email to staffers obtained by WGN News, Foxx announced, "I'm writing to inform you that Jennifer Coleman has provided her resignation as my first assistant." Foxx continues, "Jenny has been a valuable member of this office, and I wish her the best in her next endeavors." The departure comes after the investigation of a statement prosecutor James Murphy made during a bond hearing for Ruben Roman, who was arrested at the scene of Toledo's shooting. Murphy read in court that before the teen was shot, he turned towards an officer with a gun in his right hand. Video later showed Toledo with his hands up, without a weapon, the moment he was shot. Foxx's office says although Murphy did not intend to give the impression Toledo was holding a gun, the investigation revealed Murphy's work was not reviewed before going into court, nor did the information provided to the state's attorney previewing what would be said in court align with what was presented in court. Dwayne Deskins is a former federal prosecutor. He says the case highlights the need for effective training.
It's crystal clear that the young man was killed by a police officer with a gun he was provided by Mr. Roman. End of story. You don't need to get into whether he tossed it just before or after.
As part of the fallout, Foxx's office announced attorneys will undergo training about presenting facts in court, and additional procedures will be implemented to ensure proper checks and balances.
The responsibility for the prosecutor's office is not the first assistant. The prosecutor's office is run by the prosecutor elected by the people. And if a mistake was made, then that's the buck stops with the person at the top.
Sources in Foxx's office say Jennifer Coleman is a well-respected attorney, but a breakdown in oversight and communication led to misleading court statements. Micah and Ray.
All right, Taman, thanks a lot.